In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Slack desktop application in Ubuntu Linux. If you want a simple and reliable way to use Slack on Ubuntu, installing it through Snap is one of the best options. Snap is built into most Ubuntu systems, and it handles the installation process in a clean and secure way. It also helps manage updates automatically in the background, which means less maintenance for you over time. To begin, the first thing you should do is update your system package index. This helps make sure your local software information is current before you install anything new. It's a good habit to get into anytime you're preparing your Ubuntu system for new software. Go ahead and open your terminal window. The quickest way to do that is by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard at the same time. Once the terminal opens, you'll be ready to enter the command. Now type the following command and then press enter. Sudo apt update. This command tells Ubuntu to refresh its package lists from the software sources configured on your system. In simple terms, it checks for the latest information about available packages and updates. Depending on your system settings, you may be asked to enter your password. If that happens, type it carefully and press enter. Keep in mind that when you type your password in the terminal, you usually won't see any characters appear on the screen. That's completely normal. After you run the command, Ubuntu will begin contacting its configured repositories and downloading the latest package information. This usually only takes a few moments, although it can take a little longer depending on your internet connection and system speed. While it runs, you may see several lines of output appear in the terminal. That's expected and simply shows the system checking and updating its package index. Once the process finishes, look for the command prompt to return. That indicates the update has completed successfully and your system is ready for the next part of the installation process. If you run into an error at this stage, double check that your internet connection is active and that the command was typed correctly. Even a small typo can prevent it from working properly. It's also a good idea to let the command finish completely before closing the terminal or moving on. At this point, your Ubuntu package index is updated and you've completed the essential preparation step for installing the Slack desktop application. In the next part, you'll be ready to continue with the actual installation.